Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show home remedy for cold, cough and throat infection. First add 2 glasses of water in a vessel. Then add little tulsi leaves. Add 1 spoon of dhania powder, 1 spoon of jeera powder and half a spoon of pepper powder and 1 inch grated ginger. Allow it to boil. Then add 1 cup of ajwain leaves. These leaves are very good for cough, ajwain leaves. After it boils, keep the flame little low and allow it to boil for some time, for 10 minutes. Then lastly we add jaggery powder. Instead of jaggery powder, we can add salt also. For diabetic patients, instead of jaggery, we can add salt. Then using filter it. Then add to glasses and serve hot. You can take 2 times a day. In empty stomach, it is very